Welcome back to our channel. This video is a detailed demo video for our TAO 1mini. Let's get started. We've made a detailed unboxing video before. You can find it in the description if you're interested. As you can see, TAO 1mini is small and compact, which makes it easy to carry, and it provides standard camera screw holes for mounting the camera. Although it's small, it's very versatile, with full format NDI encoding and decoding, and with 2.1-inch TFT touchscreen for real-time monitoring and manual operations. Let's take a look at the interfaces. We have two USB-C ports, one for connect to the power supply that can support PD protocol, which means that there's also supply external power charging. That will make outdoor shooting much more easier and no longer limited by time. The other one here for receiving video signal from your phone or others, connected to USB camera for UVC capture, which means that we can be compatible with a wider variety of equipment types and can fully leverage the old and reduce the investment. It also supplies 5V and 1-way reverse power supply. Although the TAO 1mini screen already has monitoring capabilities, we still set up HDMI out to connect it to external monitor for real-time monitoring of inputs and outputs, so that the producers can perform actions such as camera switching. The HDMI is for receiving video signal, and a 3.5mm audio socket for analog audio input and output monitoring. That allows us to do more than just video monitoring of the thing in real time. Just plug in the headset and you can have a full monitoring of the scene with sound and picture. USB 3.0 to connect it to hard disk for recording. The max memory recording sample rate supported is 80 megs per second, which means we can easily afford to record any 2K or 4K video with one click. No frame drops and storage up to 2T. Then known as Gigabit network port with PoE charging function. First, install TAO 1mini to the Mini 3 port. Connect the power to TAO 1mini and view PDZ. Next, connect view PDZ and TAO 1mini with a HDMI cable. Select HDMI signal on TAO 1mini and then connect TAO 1mini to the computer through LAN cable. Modify the IP address on TAO 1mini and the computer respectively so that both of them are in the same network segment. Click the NDI encoding function on TAO 1mini to turn on NDI encoding. Let's move on to the NDI launcher software on the computer. Double-click Studio Monitor. Then click the menu on the upper left. You can see the RGB link option. One click, then you can see the TAO 1mini option. Double click to see the TAO 1mini encoding over video content. There you have it. First, connect the TAO 1mini to the power supply and the internet. Then go to Settings and turn on DHCP to obtain the current IP address. Connect the PDZ camera through HDMI. Go to the stream settings on YouTube and Facebook on the computer and obtain the RTMP code and key of live streaming respectively. Create a new text file on the computer and change the extension to IMI. Copy the RTMP code and key of YouTube to the newly created RTMP.IMI file. Note that if you are streaming on YouTube, you need to add diagonal road between the RTMP code and key. Copy the RTMP code and the key of Facebook to the newly created RTMP .ini file. You do not need to add download for Facebook streaming. If multiple platform connections are placed in this file at the same time, you need to separate the links of different platforms by Enter. Save the RTMP .ini file to USB flash disk. Insert the flash disk into TAO 1mini. Press and hold the streaming settings. You can see the links of the platforms identified by TAO 1mini after entering the settings. Select the links of the live stream platforms you need. Tap Next. After everything is set, tap Confirm. It will automatically go back to the home page. Then tap on Air. At that point, we are officially streaming. Now I will show you how to stream through TAO app on TAO 1mini. We can stream to up to 32 platforms with TAO app. We will demonstrate on YouTube here. First, connect TAO 1mini to the power supply and the internet. Check and see IP address of TAO 1mini. Make sure that TAO 1mini is on the same network segment as the current LAN. Turn on DHCP and TAO 1mini can obtain the IP address automatically. Get the RTMP stream address and key from YouTube. Go to our website to generate the link to QR code. Connect TAO app and TAO 1mini to Bluetooth. Generate the QR code from the streaming address and key. And then scan the QR code by TAO app and send to TAO 1mini. Then a prompt will pop up on the interface to remind the user whether to receive the streaming address of RTMP, and click Yes to receive. After everything is set, tap the live streaming icon to select. The saved streaming platform is displayed on the top, and the newly imported streaming platform is displayed on the bottom. You can select the desired platform for streaming, or you can view the RTMP streaming address by long pressing the streaming icon. Delete the unwanted streaming address by tapping the delete button at the upper right corner. Tap Edit to set the resolution, bitrate, and display mode. Go back to the home page and tap on Air, and the input signal can be streamed to the third-party live streaming platform through the network. Connect any camera, computer, or other device with NDI coding function to TAO 1mini's other 45 interface as the NDI input signal source. Make sure that PC and TAO 1mini are connected to the same network segment, and after NDI function is enabled, long press the NDI decoding icon on TAO 1mini and click Search to search the NDI signal source. After finding the device, select the NDI signal we need according to the IP address at the bottom of the screen. Then return to the home page of TAO 1mini, tap NDI decoding, and you can see the image transmitted by the camera or PC. Tap yellow arrows to select or switch the HDMI or UVC as input signal according to actual input signal source, and make sure the input image can be displayed successfully on the screen of TAO 1mini. 2. Tap NDI encoding icon in output area to turn on NDI encoding, and long press the icon to choose encoding format. Set resolutions, bitrate, and check channel name. TAO 1mini can work as a recorder by simply insert USB disk to TAO 1mini USB port. When TAO 1mini recognizes the USB disk, it will start recording after clicking Record on the home page. FYI, you should turn off your video playing first and end recording process by turning off Record. The storage of USB disk can be up to 2 TB. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. As always, share, like, subscribe, and keep streaming.